Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record screen on your Alienware Aurora laptop. To start the screen recording, you can either press F10 button on your keyboard and then on the capture toolbar select recording option, or you can also use a Windows shortcut, Windows Shift and R buttons pressed simultaneously, and this will select the recording option automatically. Now, in order to start the recording, you're gonna have to either select rectangle or window option depending on what you want to record, either the part of the screen or a specific window. Let's use this crosshair to draw a rectangular shape, and now in order to start the recording you have to click start right here. If you want to unmute your microphone, click right here. To mute system audio, click right here. Let's start. Then let's let snipping tool access your microphone, and now the recording is active and everything that is located within the selected area will be shown on the recording. So we can pause the recording, stop and save it, and so we can also delete it without saving. Let's stop the recording, and immediately we'll be able to see the full video with the recording. And to find it in the files, you have to go to File Explorer, go to Videos, Screen Recordings, and here you'll find your screen recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.